What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker, coming at you with another Hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial. This is one from the 1980s, 1985 specifically. It's called Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears. Yep, super popular electronic music song from back then that's still super popular today. I hear it everywhere. It's ubiquitous. Let's hear it. Welcome to your life. You've heard it. Yeah, super amazing song. There's a lot more to it, but that's just the main groove of it right there. Let's build it from scratch. It's pretty repetitive and pretty simple, so should be a quick one. Go to restart. You have a blank canvas. If not, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click your settings. We always got to change the settings first or you'll be in a world of pain later. Length, 4 bars. Nope, we're going to turn it down to 2 bars. What? Super short. Like I said, it's so repetitive that we can just fit it all into 2 bars. Very cool. Split beats into 3 instead of 2. That's a rare one. That's called compound meter, where we have 4 beats in total, but we split them into 3. So instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's what gives it that forward rolling motion. Compound meter. That's a little vocabulary where for you music nerds out there, go to middle D instead of middle C. And those are the 3 things we need to change. Length, 2 bars. Split beats into 3. Start on middle D instead of middle C. Click the blue check. We're ready to rock. Now, I usually like to build these things from the bottom up, starting with this stuff down here. We're going to start with our tempo. Let me maximize this here. There we go. Start our tempo. We're going to bring that down to 112. Oh, it won't let me. That's okay. You can double click on the number and press 112, enter, and now our tempo is magically at 112. And I'm going to change these instrument sounds for now. You can experiment with that later if you want, but now we're ready to put in a drum beat. This drum beat is ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, 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 ah. Pretty cool rolling beat, which is circle, skip, circle, triangle, skip, circle, circle, skip, circle, triangle, skip, circle, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh. Yep, we'll repeat that right here. Make sure your spacing is right. Kind of looks funky, but it sounds really cool. Let's hear it. Very cool. Now, something easy we put on top of that is the bass line, which is a really repetitive grouping of notes that actually lines up perfectly with all these shapes. So every time you see a shape, which is basically orange, skip 1, 2 orange, skip 1, 2 orange, skip 1, all the way throughout. So I'm basically putting an orange in line as the bass line with the drum beat. Listen. Pretty cool. And then on top of that, all we got to do is put a couple chords in, which are vertically stacked notes that happen at the same time. We're going to start with this purple right here, skip 1 above that. Skip 1 above that, put a yellow. There's an A major chord. Very cool. Skip 2 above that and put that same purple and orange in there. Let's hear it. Very cool. And all we got to do is put 1 more in, which is right here at the beginning of this group of 2. So skip 4 after that chord and put the same chord, but 1 note down of each. So notice I made this purple 1 note lower, that one 1 more lower. It's basically the same pattern, but I just dropped it 1 and we have it. Really pretty. And that's all there is to it. Like I said, I could do other sections of the song, but it'd be way too long and repetitive, so I don't really see a point. I wanted to just keep this nice and simple. Let's experiment with the different sounds. I was trying synth out because obviously it's electronic, and the bass sounds really cool with the synth, but the chords don't sound as... It sounds kind of strange. I like that synth bass is pretty cool. I don't know. Piano's pretty cool. I usually prefer marimba on like all of these songs. There's something about just how short this marimba sound, which is like the big xylophone thing, right? To me, that just sounds nice, playful, and fun. Which is kind of the vibe of this tune. Like I said, super awesome, classic song from the 80s. Glad to see it doing so well and staying so popular today because it's a great tune. So here we are over, what's that? That's 40 years later, and it's still super popular. But that's just a testament to great music. It stands the ultimate test, the test of time. So yeah, thanks y'all. Appreciate it. Keep those requests coming. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Like I said, peace and love. Keep making music. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.